this car. It doesn't have big metal anti-roll bars or anything like that. Everything is controlled by its brain. It works out what each wheel is doing. It can even brake an individual wheel as you corner.
In the olden days, supercars were very, very hard to drive, and the hardest of them all were the big Lambos. And changing gear in a Countach or a Diablo, you needed two hands. This, though, it feels like a Golf. I mean, I'm doing, what, 80 miles an hour now, and it's almost completely silent, and I can see where I'm going, and I can see roughly where I've been. I think it's important to stress at this point, every single thing about this car is new. Body, interior, engine, suspension, everything. It's brand new, and it feels it.
Meanwhile, after a 2.5-hour wait, my knight in shining armour finally arrived.
Hi. Hi. This is the car. Please talk to me. Please just say hello, or see me even.
Ah, now there's a big tunnel coming up here. The irresponsible thing to do would be to turn the powertrain into the rorty track mode and change down unnecessarily. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, what a sound! James's car made a great noise, but mine was making fire.